How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another one of Rome's Things. Now, if you're wondering, yep, I'm in my bathroom today. Today we're going to talk about teeth, mainly your teeth. Now, we all know that we should take care of them, and we've been told ever since we were kids by our parents, by our dentists, to brush, to floss, to maintain, to do all those things. But still, we get the cavities, we get the plaque, we get the gingivitis, we get the dreaded root canals. Now, maybe it's not so much how often you brush your teeth, but how you brush your teeth, or how well you brush your teeth. We've all heard of electric toothbrushes, and it's a fact that an electric toothbrush does a much better job at cleaning your teeth. We all know the popular, well-known brands out there, and they can get pretty pricey. So today I'm going to take a look at the Oclean X Pro Elite Electric Toothbrush System. It does all the same things that those brands do, but at a much less cost. To find out more about Oclean and their amazing products, please visit their website at oclean.com. You can also visit their numerous Facebook pages for more detailed information. According to a report by Oclean, up to 90% of people consciously or subconsciously miss certain areas of their mouth during brushing, especially in those hard-to-reach spots. This can lead to potential oral problems such as plaque, cavities, gingivitis, and bad breath. The X Pro Elite by Oclean utilizes innovative technologies to help you address this. The first thing you'll notice about the X Pro Elite is how sleek and modern it is. It's lightweight and not at all bulky, but feels very solid in your hands. It has a matte finish and feel, so it doesn't feel like it would be slippery to hold. Doing a side-by-side with my current toothbrush, it's not as bulky and definitely weighs less. What really sets the X Pro Elite apart from its competitors is the touchscreen display. Upon waking the device, it presents you with a neat little greeting, "Hi." It then shows you what the current mode is. You can then swipe up and down to change the intensity and duration. When you are done brushing, the touchscreen will display your brushing score. This score indicates how well or not well you brushed. Any score under 90 will alert you in red. It also shows a visual representation of your mouth and the areas that you missed and alerts you when too much pressure is being applied. Also included is a waterproof silicone USB charging base. The manufacturer does claim fast charge times of 2.5 to 3.5 hours, and I was able to achieve a full charge from 0% in about 3 hours. Not bad. There is also a wall mount included, but it doesn't provide charging. While you can use the X Pro Elite on its own, there is an app that accompanies it. It is available for iOS and Android devices. You can download the app for free from the App Store for iOS or the Android Store. The app enables you to access the X Pro Elite's full set of features. Once you download and open the app, you will need to create an Oclean account. The next step is to pair your account with your toothbrush. With the toothbrush turned on, the app recognized the device and connected via Bluetooth with no problem. The app itself is nice and fairly easy to navigate. You have Home, Data, and User tabs located at the bottom. A menu at the top left shows you your current device and the ability to add more devices. At the top right, it shows the battery charge of your current device. Clicking on it reveals more information. You can also sync the toothbrush's time with your mobile device, update the firmware, set the app language, and unbind the toothbrush from the app should you wish to. The Home tab displays the last brushing report with a diagram of your teeth showing coverage and effectiveness. This is similar to the diagram from the touchscreen on the toothbrush, but in a much easier to view format. You can also select the cleaning mode to use. There are 17 preset cleaning modes to choose from, but you can also create and customize your own. Clicking on one of the presets shows the steps to take to achieve effective and efficient cleaning. If you are unsure of what setting to use, you can click on the Smart Recommendation button at the bottom. The app will then provide a preset suggestion based on the criteria you select, such as teeth type, habits, and whiteness. The Data tab shows daily, weekly, and monthly views of your brushing habits and how effective your brushing has been. If you have missed days or experienced continuous inadequate brushing days, the app will warn you. The Me tab shows more information about the device and about the company, as well as providing some contact information should you need it. Another great thing about the X Pro Elite is that it is compatible with the Apple Health app. You can connect to it from here and track your habits and progress. You can also log out and delete your account should you want to. The toothbrush itself is powered by Oclean's next generation Maglev sonic motor. Running at an astonishing 42,000 RPM, this motor delivers twice the cleaning power over other sonic motors, yet provides gentle, massage-like sonic vibrations with no discomfort. Compared to my current electric toothbrush, where you can see the harsh vibration ripples, the X Pro Elite delivers smooth, gentle sonic vibrations without sacrificing cleaning power. Paired with a DuPont head brush with angled bristles, it cleans even the hard-to-reach spots with ease and leaves you with that fresh from the dentist clean feeling. While powerful, the motor is also extremely quiet. Utilizing Oclean's WhisperClean 2.0 patented technology, all this power and efficiency is delivered at less than 45 decibels. Compared to my Oral-B, this thing is whisper quiet. The company claims a 3.5 hour full charge time. I managed to get a full charge in less time, about 3 hours. That's not bad. The battery also lasts up to 35 days with regular use. That is really impressive. You compare that to other electric toothbrushes that can only last up to 14 days. So, what do I think about the Oclean X Pro Elite? I like it, and I'm going to continue to use it. I really like how it feels when I use it. I like the touchscreen and the instant feedback that it provides. I especially love how quiet it is. After using my current toothbrush for so long, I've gotten used to how noisy it can be, and the X Pro Elite is a nice change to that. I'm also really fascinated by how much you can customize it using the app. There are so many options to choose from the different modes, to intensities, to durations. You can create your own custom programs to fit what works best for you. Using the app also helps to encourage you to improve your brushing habits, which of course we all want to do, right? So if you're looking for a new toothbrush and to better clean and maintain your teeth, take a look at the Oclean X Pro Elite. With so many features and at such a great price, you really won't be disappointed. Thanks again everyone for joining me for another one of Rome's Things. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again, and I'll see you guys later.